Good morning again. I guess it's Thursday morning now. Did not stop raining last night. Ended up stuck inside the RV. Worked on the RV on a few little items in here. Did some editing. Read about 200 emails. And just tried to kill some time before I went to bed. Now we had our coffee, everything. Waited for 8 a.m. so we could use the dumping station. Now what we're gonna do is, today's plan isn't as much as parks or anything. It's really, we're 6 days out here or something, 5 days, I don't know, but we need to really hit some Walmart or something for some groceries. We also need to find some plumbing supplies, and more than anything, I need to get connected today. I have a few meetings this afternoon, possibly a business dinner, and I need to take care of that. Then the plan is, I think, find a KOA, which I've never been at, but I hear there's one not too far from where I need to be tomorrow, so we're going to check that out. If it's early in the day, maybe we'll explore around Thunder Bay a bit, and if not, in the morning we have to go visit my buddy, and from there it's going to go to fishing video for a change. So hopefully we catch some good stuff. But for now, the next 35 plus 7 kilometers, 42 kilometers or so, is backtracking. 35 to get back out of this park, and then the 7 before they made us do that U-turn. And then hopefully between here and Thunder Bay, which shouldn't be that long of a ride, I don't know, because my GPS doesn't work right now. I can't search. I can see where I am, but I can't search. Hopefully maybe we see something along the way. If not, then I'm not going to bore you with shopping videos and stuff, but I'm sure I'll check in later on if something pops up and go from there. For now, let's get back to the road and hopefully we see something. See you in a bit. Alright guys, we are done with Walmart finally. Got everything we needed and then some. What we're gonna do right now is, it's still fairly early in the day. It's 10:30 in the morning. The KOA that I was gonna go to is right around the corner, but I don't know what's around there and stuff. And I also see that Kakabeka Falls is half an hour away. It's a provincial park that should have some camping over there. And being this close to Thunder Bay, maybe I'll have reception there. And if not, we check out the falls and we go back to the KOA. But I think that's what we're gonna do right now, is we're gonna take the half-hour drive, and only stop is gonna be at Timmy's if I see one. Other than that, let's get to Kakabeka Falls. Kakabeka, hope I'm saying that right. Buggy back there. 76. Oh, right across somebody. That sucks. I'm gonna be close with the electrical. Let's see if all this works out. I'll see in a minute. What I had to do is, not the first time, but I just got it off the road here by a couple inches, which means my campsite is pretty vacant. But the sun came out for the first time. But we're in, we're plugged in. I should rent out the rest of this campsite since I'm not using any of it. But maybe I will open the awning today. Nah, I'm leaving in the morning. What I'm going to do right now is go inside, send a few emails, jump on a quick call, and at the same time make sure I have reception and figure out where our adventure is going to begin here. I assume I'm taking the bike. So let me get all that going, and I'll check in with you guys shortly. Yeah, buddy. All right, everybody. Here's the bike again. We are gonna look, $14.99. So within the next kilometer, I'm gonna hit 1,500 kilometers on this bike. Ugh. It has not let me down, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm not gonna record it like I did on the other ones because I think I'm more on open road and stuff. What I'm gonna do, plus since my GoPro 7 isn't reliable right now, I'm only running with the one, and I didn't even put the gooseneck on it. So what I'm gonna do is drive to the trails, drive around, and when I see something cool worthwhile showing you, like the waterfalls and stuff like that, I'll turn on the camera and take you along. So let's go. First part of our adventure, of today's adventure. Alright, bike and everything is strapped on, and that thing ain't moving. I feel every time I tie it again, I tie it that much better than the last time. I don't think anything's taking that off now. But a second ago it was dripping on me, like spitting on me. Over there I kind of see the sun still wants to poke out, but the darkness is coming. So I'm gonna check the weather report, see if we get any more breaks from rain or what time it's expected to come. Once I do that, I'm gonna look around, see what else is within walking or biking distance from here while I charge this battery again. And if I don't find nothing, I am gonna spend the next little bit of time. I'm gonna cook something, and then I'm gonna do some work, check my personal notifications, and go from there. So I don't know, I'll check in a little bit later once I'm settled, done working, and know what's going on. See you soon. Alright guys, not much has been happening in all honesty. It's been pouring rain outside, so same like yesterday, can't really do much outside. I did use the external windshield cover, and I was able to prop it up on the inside. I did that because my front windshield is literally right on the road and everybody could look in. Not that they're gonna see anything, but it is what it is. Figured a good way to kill time. Also trying to fix that leak. I gooped the shit out of it. That's all I can do for now. Those hoses are so short that I don't have enough play to separate them, change the T, redo the connection or anything. What I'm hoping I can do is pop this drawer out and have enough play in the hoses there to get a little pull to extend it a bit. If not, I'll have to figure out what to do next, but I'll do that all when I get back to Toronto. For now, I'm just waiting for this to fully dry and cure, and then we'll turn on the water and test it. So I didn't fill the fresh water today on purpose so I could have that dry to work on it. But other than that, we ate some good food, pigged out, took a nap, went for a little walk around here when it did stop raining, and watched some TV. There's not much more I can do other than that, and we also worked for a bit, which I'm probably going to open up my laptop soon and do a little bit more just to get ahead. But that's about it for today. Now tomorrow morning I'm going to wake up, do all my stuff quickly, get over there. I'm not going to record me getting to the guy's house because that's just awkward and don't know how he likes cameras or whatnot. So from his house we'll go fishing, and we'll record there and hopefully have a great day fishing. Also been offered to be taken all around Thunder Bay and area on the weekend if I'm still here, and shown all the crazy touristy stuff or whatever, so we might do that as well, but that will determine further down the line. For now, enjoy your evening, and I guess we'll see you in the morning. What else could I do? Cool falls. Just the highlight of the day, I guess.